Beep beep, we have a Tube News exclusive. I'm live right now. Click the link in the description below, and we'll converse all fucking day. I got all day with you idiots. But seriously, come get to know me. I'll get to know you. You know what I mean? So check out that link in the description. Don't worry. As long as this video is up, I'll be live. But once I'm not live anymore, I'm gonna delete this garbage ass video forever. You better not download this video and then re-upload it. That'd be real. That'd be real.